Hello guys, welcome back to another wheels and stuff how-to video. Another one on the Audi A6 C7.5. Probably work on C7 as well. I've got the RMC system. You might have one of the 3 or 3G systems, but it should be the same anyway. What we're going to do today, excuse me, what we're going to do today is that auto start or auto off. It just turns the engine off when you're at a standstill. For me anyway, it gets a little bit annoying, so I wanna reverse or invert what state that function is in when the ignition is on. At the moment it's on, so every time I turn the ignition on it will stay on. If it's off, the light will turn on here, so you press it to turn it off. By default on this car, it's programmed to stay on or turn on with the ignition, and we're going to turn that off. So what you want to do is you want to fire up VCDS, and what we're going to do is we're going to program the module, the Central Electrics module, so that we can reverse the ignition off, engine off function. So what you want to do anyway is go to, where's the mouse, there it is, 09 Central Electrics, and you want to let that load up, and then you want to go to security access, that thing there, and yeah, alright mate, get rid of that. Right, security access, and then you want to go, and in that box there it says there as well 20113, so let's type that in, 20113, and do it. Accepted. What a surprise. And then what you want to do is go to adaptation. There's my mouse, there it is, adaptation, and you want to read channel 34, so you just type in 34 on your keyboard and read, and the stored value is 20. What you want to do is you want to change that to 0, and then you test it, save it. It'll ask you if you want to save. If you're definitely sure, are we sure? Yes we are. Click yes, and then done, go back, close controller, go back, and go back. Right, now you want to turn the ignition off like that, and then what you want to do is turn the ignition on, test it out, see if it's worked. Turn the ignition on, and there you go, it's off by default. Happy days. If you like these videos and you wanna see more of them, look, there's my pizza box. If you want to see more of them, don't forget to hit the like button, drop a comment if you want to drop a comment, if you've got any requests, and don't forget to hit the subscribe, and you'll be notified when new ones pop out. Alright, I'll see you on the next one. Bye.